became a programmer before Microvellum was introduced to the company. Concepts in Millwork is pretty particular about our drawing format, how the drawing looks and how it's presented on paper. And contractors, they need to be able to know where blocking goes, and there needs to be a lot of information on drawings. But as far as Microvellum and the way that they function and the way that we draw from a library, those are key components, and those are things that have sped up our efficiencies, quite a bit. My father, as far as drawing goes, he's pretty old school. He drew it on vellum paper and all by hand. He was never an AutoCAD guy. As a company, we're really proud of the way our drawings are formatted and the information that we present, all the things that Microvellum does for us. And we get a lot of compliments all the time from, architects, designers on how thorough and how much information we present and the way that we present it. So we're very proud of that. And programming, guys that utilize Microvellum that really know that piece of software inside and out and use it to its best.